Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers. Cheap Jena. Local and long-distance movers near me. Making a long move distance is not always easy. It requires you to pack your products efficiently and prevent any wear and tear during the transit. Furthermore, as shifting involves edgy or heavyweight items, handling them without any previous experience can also risk you and your loved one's well-being. Moreover, gathering all essential certifications alongside shifting can be very difficult for you. But thankfully, professional movers like 3 Movers is certified and has vast experience in long-distance handling shifts. We have a good working relationship with the local federal association, so they have provided us with legal permits required to cross long-distance or international shifts. Even if you have purchased your dream house in a nearby society, make sure you hire a professional mover. 3 movers. Our firm provides same-day shifting for local moves, and make sure to resettle your belongings carefully. So, if your move involves less than 50 kilo, it will be considered local moving, and we will try our best to provide high-quality services at affordable prices. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Jena moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.